Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze ayah number 6 and 7. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word وَلِلَّذِينَ. Now this word is very easy and you are familiar with this word. Take care of the makhraj of the waw over here. Circle your lips. Wa. Lilladhina. All the letters are easy and light. Just be careful for the makhraj of dhal. The tip of your tongue should touch the edges of your front teeth. Okay? The sound. Okay? Walilladhina kafaru. Ka light, fa light, and one count. Your ru should be 2 counts and it should be heavy. Ru kafaru. Birabbihim. B should be 1 count. Ra should be heavy and join your ra with the ba. And your ha is normal over here without any extra efforts. Join your ha with the meme and give it mutawassita timing. Birabbihim. Adhabu jahannam. Ayn should be from its makhraj, not like hamza. Dhal should be given 2 counts. Dhal should be from its makhraj and should be given 2 counts because it is with alif man. Adhabu jahannam. Here jim is a light letter and read it without a. Don't read it like ja. It should be ja. Jahannam without a. Jahannam. Your noon here is with the shadda, so give it akmal gunna. That means most complete gunna. Jahannam. Your meme here should be given moderate timing. And then وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ. Now what will you do over here? Bow for the bow. You will circle your lips. Now this part, you see this, the ba is having a kasra and then you see a hamza with sukoon. So what will you do? You will read this hamza with a jerk. Okay? B. This way. Hamza is a letter with strong makhraj. Okay? So when it is sakin, you will have to read it with strength, right? So because of this strength, you have this jerk in this hamza. B. This way. Okay? Don't raise your voice. It should be in the normal way. Okay? Do not raise your voice. Okay? Don't raise your voice because it will be some other rule there. Okay? Inshallah, we will discuss that some other time. But here, what will you do? We'll just give a jerk. Wabi salmasir. Now, what will you do over here? Here, your swad is heavy. So, make it heavy. Si, not si. Si. Wabi salmasir. The ra at the end should be light. Inshallah. Okay, now going on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 7. Now this ayah starts with Ida. Now here hamza is light, give it 1 count. Now dal over here is with this elongation sign, so give it 4 counts. Ida. Okay, and then ulqu. Join your hamza with the lam. Do not bounce your lam. And give your qaf 2 counts. O, not ho. Do not read it like the letter kha. It's like without air. O. Okay. Fiha. 2 counts for both the letters. Sami'u. Sin 1 count with the whistling sound. Mim 1 count. Sami'u. 2 counts for your ayn. And ayn should be from its makhraj. Laha. Sami'u. Laha. Laha. La 1 count and ha 2 counts because it is with alif man. Then shahiqa. Wahiya tafur. Okay, shahi. Sha should be with the spreading sound. Shahi. Ha should be given 2 counts. Qaf should be heavy without air. And you see this qaf is having tanween. When tanween is followed by a letter waw, this rule is adgham. Okay, so what will you do? You will merge the noon sakina, which is hidden in this tanween, into the waw. Okay, shahiqa wa. Okay, shahiqa wahiya tafur. Okay, what will you do? You will circle your lips for the waw. Ha should be given 1 count. Ya is from its makhraj. Shahiya, wahiya. Okay, shahiqa wahiya tafur. Circle your lips for the fa because it is with waw mad, fu, and you're saying fu. It is with waw mad and it is also having this dhamma. So what will you do for the dhamma and for the waw mad? You will have to circle your lips. This is the movement which is accompanied for the dhamma and also for the waw mad. Okay, so you will circle your lips, the fu, and then you have the ra, which should be heavy because this ra will be sakin while you stop this, and it is preceded by a sakin letter which is preceded by a dhamma. So what will you do? You will make your ra heavy over here. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So practice well with the shaykh, inshallah. Okay, jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.